Good morning, everyone. What a day it has been. We had probably the best morning of tuna fishing I've ever experienced personally. They were stupid. Like anything I was throwing at them, they just ate immediately. Absolutely ridiculous. Super excited to share this video with you guys. I really got nothing else to say other than we're tuna fishing and it was awesome. So let's just go ahead and start right from the beginning. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. 5,000 Stradic, 40-pound braid, 50-pound fluorocarbon leader. That is an X-Wrap size 14 in the glass ghost color. Let's get started. Look at all these birds in front of me. Oh yeah. Yep, there we go, there we go. There we go. Yep, there we go. There we go. Is this a bonita? Let's see, come on. Now this has got to be a tuna. This has got to be a tuna. Come on, come on. Get up here, get up here, get up here, get up here, get up here. Whatever you are. I don't know, this might be a bonita. I hope it's not. Really hope it's a tuna. Oh, come on. What are you? What are you? He's coming in way too easily though. My gosh, yeah, the pier's already hooked up. Oh, come here, come here. What are you? This has got to be a bonita. He's coming in way too easy. He hit a size 14 though. Come on. What are you? I don't know. What we got? Oh, nope, that's a tuna. That's a tuna. Come here, dude. Yep, yep, yep. Come here, come here, come here. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, shoot. And he's running. Okay. Nope, this is a tuna, though. It's a tuna. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Come on, get up here, get up here. Yep, tuna, 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 tuna. Yep, got him in the net. Oh. Let's go, yes. First tuna of the season. Look at that fish, guys. Ah, beautiful fish. Okay, I'm gonna do something crazy. He's in good health. I wanna keep one, but I think we're gonna get more, so I'm gonna let this guy go. See you, man. Okay. Yes. The hook came out, he wasn't even bleeding. That fish was super healthy. We're gonna catch more, and I'm pretty sure at some point one's gonna be gill hooked or something crazy. I'll keep that one. That tuna was way too healthy. Someone else can catch him. You know. Let's get another one. Yep, there we go. There we go. Oh, shoot. Yep, I'm gonna tighten that drag down. There we go. Yep, yep, yep. Dude, I need to gain some line, like quick. Come up here, get up here, get up here, get up here. I know you're not done fighting though, dude. I know you're not done. Come on. Oh yeah, he's not done. Okay, this is a big tuna. Come here, come on, come on, come on. Get up here. Get up here. Dude. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? I'm a little confused. You feel weird now. What's happening? I don't think... Are you just a fat tuna? I'm getting him up. He's just... feels super weird. Okay, I see my leader. I should be seeing the fish here. Oh, I see him now. Yep, I see him. I see him. Okay. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. All right. Just need to get you up. Just get you up. You're done. Come on. Come on now. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, you're pretty too. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Oh, got him. All right. Oh, thank you. Oh. All right, guys. Tuna. Calm down. Oh. There we go. Oh. Tuna number 2. He is not cooperating at all. Oh. Okay, this one's gonna go in the bag. I am gonna keep him. I do want to keep a tuna. So I'm gonna put him in the bag. We're gonna see if we can catch some more. We might be able to get one more. This turned out to be a really good day. But let me see if he'll cooperate now. Let's see, maybe if I hold him like this. There we go. Tuna number 2. Come on. Dude, hit it right here. 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 Dude, that'd be so cool. Dude, he hit right here. That was nuts. No way. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. No way. Dude, that was awesome. No way. That was stupid. That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Come on, man, you gotta slow down. You gotta slow your roll, dude. Dude. Oh my gosh. This is a very unusual problem to have right now. Come on, stop running. Stop running. Dude, he's almost schooling me. Okay, I need to get him back some line quick. Oh my gosh. That was insane. That was insane. Oh, come on. Come on, get up here. Dude, that was a insane run. My gosh. Come on, come on, come on. All right, he's coming back at me now. It's good, getting a lot of line back. Need to keep tension on him though. Need to keep tension on him. There we go. Okay, dude. Where are you at? Where are you at? Yeah, he flipped a Yui on me. Come here. Yep. I know, dude. I know, dude. Oh man, really? Oh, it's a classic Chris hook set, man. Right in the eyeball, really? Nope, come here. Oh my gosh, this is pretty hectic right now. Come here, dude. You know what? I'm gonna try to flip him on the other side. I'm gonna try to get this fish on the other side here. He is burnt. Whew. I might be keeping 2 today. Come here, yep, I know. All right, no, you're in the net, you're in the net. Got him, dude. Oh, did I just sight cast a tuna? Yeah, and he's burnt. Oh, no, he's good. He's not hooked in the eye. Okay. Are you alive, though? You don't see me doing much. Number 3 of the morning. What is going on? It's way too early for this. It is crazy right now. Dude, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm stoked. This is such an awesome morning, guys. And that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. This morning has just been insane. They were eating everything. I'm so grateful to have been out here. So we caught 3 fish total. I released the first one. I'm keeping 2. I'm trading 1 for some deer meat, and I'm keeping that last one for myself. So what a good morning. That is a meat haul for sure. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Just interact with this video somehow. It's gonna help me out, and I just greatly appreciate it. It's time for me to go to work, so I'm gonna head back to the beach. So I'll see you guys next time.